Is he wrestling with you? Oh, he's giving you hugs. And he's, oh, Jackson, be nice. Kyler's letting you wrestle with him. You gotta be nice. Jackson, give Kyler a kiss. Oh, 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 he's giving you hugs and kisses, and then he kicks your head. Yay! Jackson, give Kyler a kiss. Give him a kiss. You're being so good, Kyler, that your brother picked on you.